Hi everyone, it's Nasteri here, and I know there's a myth out there that I need to talk about. And this myth is that once you stop using the birth control methods, your body is just going to go back to normal. But as a nurse, I've seen time and time again that this is not just that simple. This is because I've seen a lot of women who are getting a period and they think they're fertile, but months go by and you are still not getting pregnant. So, if you feel like you've been doing everything right and your body is still betraying you, like you're not conceiving, keep watching because I'm going to reveal to you the real reason behind these and how you can actually fix this. So, my name is Nasteri, and let me tell you about a conversation I had with a client last week. So, this client was so frustrated because she has been off birth control method for almost a year and nothing has been happening. So she told me that, Nasteri, I feel like doing all I could, like everything, the timing, having intercourse the right time, but my body is just kind of broken. And my heart actually went out to her because I hear this so often. I have even seen a lady, not even one, a lot of ladies trying to conceive for more than 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. But before they started using these birth control methods, they didn't have any problem conceiving. So the truth is, with this client, her body wasn't broken or it is not broken at all. It was just stuck or it is just stuck. And it is probably the same for you. So today, I'm going to show you exactly why that happens, and I'm going to give you the roadmap to get your fertility back, right? So, if you are watching me for the first time, if you're watching this channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't have to miss any of my next previous. What is the problem? So, you see, for years, if you've been using the hormonal birth control methods, especially like the Depo shot, that is the one I've seen having a lot of issues. You have been pumping your body with synthetic hormones, and the role or the job of these synthetic hormones is to shut down your natural ovulation, to stop that beautiful intricate dance between your brain and your ovaries. And when you stop taking them, these synthetic hormones don't just magically disappear overnight. So they get stored in your body or lodged in your body, and they can block the natural hormones, that is the progesterone, that is the estrogen, the FSH, the LH, that are so crucial for your fertility. So it is like your body's natural signals are trying to get through, but there's a huge traffic jam. Can you picture that? And this is the main culprit. If your body cannot clear out, or this is the main problem, if your body cannot clear out these synthetic hormones, you won't restart your cycle naturally, you won't ovulate, and your womb won't be in a healthy state to welcome a baby. That light period you're getting, because a lot of you, after coming off birth control, you get a lighter period than you were getting before. It is just a withdrawal bleeding, or it is normally called a withdrawal bleeding, and it is not a true healthy period that signals ovulation. A healthy period, I can describe it as vibrant, consistent, like the one you probably had before using the birth control method. But a light, thin, or discolored period means that your uterine lining is still not ready. And if you're not getting a period at all, that is a clear sign your body needs to detox or to reset. And that is why I've created something truly, truly amazing. And this is a birth control detox masterclass. So this is not just another digital guide that you're gonna download and forget. So this is a live interactive class where you and I, we will work together. I'll personally guide you through everything you need to know to get your body back on track and conceive in as little as 30 to 60 days. So in this class, we're gonna cover your personal detox plan. That is the exact steps to clear out these synthetic hormones. I'm gonna give you the fertility activation, that is how to restart your ovulation and get that healthy fertile cycle back. And then on the womb health, I'm gonna give you practical ways to thicken your uterine lining, improve the cervical mucus, and create a perfect environment for a baby. And then we're not gonna end there. Your partner also needs support. This is because infertility is often a joint issue. So here we're going to discuss how your partner can support their sperm health and also boost your chances so that they don't sabotage you trying to conceive journey. And there's one more thing. The benefits go far beyond just conceiving. So this is a holistic healing journey for your entire body, and you should also expect other benefits. For example, you're gonna have an increased libido, that stubborn weight loss. Yes, some clients see even 1 kilo loss. That is 1 kilogram weight loss every month easily without exercise, just by following this plan. And then also expect a clearer skin and an improved mood, and also expect balanced hormone and better thyroid health. So this is about healing your body from the inside out. That is ensuring a healthier egg, a healthier womb, and ultimately a healthier baby. So you are investing in your future and your future descendants. Now, a class this comprehensive should cost a lot more, but because I genuinely want to help as many of you as possible, I'm offering it at a really low price. So this is a one-time investment in your health, and it is really more valuable than a fancy lunch or a coffee date. But there's a fair warning, the price will go up for the next cohort. So this is your chance to enroll right now. And I'm so confident in this masterclass, and that is why I'm also offering a risk-free guarantee. If you join and you practice everything that we're gonna talk about, and honestly you don't feel like it was helpful, you're gonna get your money back and with no questions asked. So ladies, if your goal is to have a healthy period, to ovulate and get pregnant, then you need to be in this class. So there's a link there in the video description. Click on it, secure your spot. There's a regular, there's a VIP. You're gonna see all that information there, and I cannot just wait. I can't wait to help you on this journey. So see you in class, and don't forget to share this video, especially if you know a mom who has been struggling to conceive. Send them this video and share with them this link to this masterclass so that they too can be helped, so that they can have, they can end their year in style, so that they can conceive, like hit that goal. Do you know how good it feels when you set a goal and you hit it on time? It feels so good. So help somebody. If it is not you that need this, definitely there's a woman who has come off birth control and they are not conceiving, and this is really frustrating them. And why gatekeep? Share them with this link so that they too can benefit. So thank you guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.